Okay, let's put these gloves on.
Get on there, you bastard.
Alright, I'm just going to do my intro. Oh, I better bloody walk in, eh? Righto. Okay, let's go.
How the fuck is all going?
No, I better do that again. I've got to walk in, so the continuation, you dickhead. Alright. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to me video.
I said welcome to me fucking video, alright?
There's the size of the canvas up there like that. No. Oh, I said welcome to me video. Today we're going to do a beautiful snow scene. Today we're going to do a beautiful snow scene with a little lake trickling through the middle of it. Yeah, a little fucking lake trickling through the middle of it. And it's going to be something you beginners can go, you know what, I want to do that because I reckon it's going to be fun. There's the size of the canvas up. Hang on, do that again, you dickhead. There's the size of the canvas, and I will also get some colours going up the screen for you like that as well. Look at the fuckers go, eh? So, what do I normally fucking do? Alright, got to get the colours set up. So let's get right into it. Get that up there, you bastard. Right, let's hope this focus doesn't breathe. What did I say? Fucking overcast sky. Right. There you go. Look at that. Yep. No, sorry. There you go. Look at that. Get that into you, you bastards. All right, where are we? There we go. Okay, the blending bit. What do I know? Now to do my clouds, I'm going to use a hog bristle fan brush. It's quite sturdy and firm. Yeah, it's fucking sturdy. Look how firm and sturdy that is, eh, you bastards. Go on, have a look at that. See how it's happened?
Can you fucking see that?
Now we'll do some over here. So down here, oh, where's that bloody, hang on a minute, where's that stuff and water? I keep forgetting this stupid little thing. Get that over here. Keep forgetting this stupid little water. Get in there, you bastard. Righto, come on. Okay, where's that? Where's that colour? Okay, I want that a bit darker, don't I? Yeah, that's right. All right. So down here, I better draw this in so they can see what I'm bloody doing. One side there and another side there coming up off the painting. Okay. All right, I've drawn this top edge of the back mountain here, or the hill in the painting now where the snow is, and this one here. You fucking blowfly, get out of here, you bastard. Now, down here, where are we? So, put some different highlights.
Oh, for fuck's sake, fly, piss off, will ya, you little bastard?
You little mongrel. Left that door open. Okay, so here we go, let's highlight this. And we want to get the tops of this, look, go into the dark. See, I'm going into the dark. Now we're ready to start putting the other front sections in. Right, is that dry? Oh, reason, yeah, that's all right. That's all right. Okay, what's next? Oh, the water. You can probably even get a bit of the magenta, not magenta, you dickhead. You can probably even get a bit of the red violet. Is that still plugged in? Yeah. Where are we? I've given this a dry so we can start lacing over the different layers of the snow hills coming over to that river there. to that river there, and then we'll get on with some beautiful snow. Fucking knees are killing me. I'm going to make myself a coffee. I'm going to turn the cameras off and make myself a coffee. I've been at this for a while. I've been doing other things as well in between filming. So let me grab a coffee. I'll refuel and I'll be back ready to finish this piece of a painting. Yeah, all right.
See you when I get back, all right?
And when I get back, I'll be bloody happy. Right. Flat brush. Okay, let's bring this camera over. Get out of the way, you right. Flat brush. I'll use, I need a good flat brush, not a stupid one, that'll do. Okay, where are we? Come on, get on with it. Nicely. And the fucking monitor turns off. Get on, you bastard. Okay, go again. Nicely. Hang on. Nicely. Now let's hope I don't fuck that lake up and make it look like a lightning bolt or something. Okay, now we want to start from this side. So we're going to pretty much... Okay, I want to put a tree here. Righto, we'll just do one there and one here. Fuck it. Is that on? Yeah. There we go. Now we'll put the lighter purples in there. Where the fuck is that one? I always run out when I need to finish it off. Alright, where are we? Quick. Okay. And simply the same here. So what I want to do is bring this right in front of that tree. Righto. Okay, so where I move that out of the way. So what are we up to? Okay. So I've dried it. Now to finish it off, I'm going to grab even more white. And you can see how that just gives it... You can see how that just gives it more enhancement. Okay, I'll just sign this and then we can whack a frame on it. Okay, let's whack a frame on it. Get there, you dog. Right, let's get... Where's... okay, let's whack a frame on it. All right. What are we up to? Let's move this. How's that for head height? That's all right. Oh, fuck, that was beautiful. Okay. And I know you can do it. All right, a lot of fun doing
On that one, I really enjoyed that. Hope you learnt something along the way.
If you did, message and tell me below, and be sure to tell your friends if you like what I'm doing on my channel. But if I've offended you in any way, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.
Good on you.
I said good on you, all right? No, I don't want to say that. Only joking. Yeah, so that's it. All right, all over Red Rover. Maybe should have done something different with the tree colours. Oh well, such is life. I could have done a more snowy looking.